Congratulations on making it to session 3. Today we're going to talk about our single leg circles, which will come up after our modified roll-ups. In case you're wondering, this is my cat Wick, and as much as I try to keep him out of my videos, he just wants to be a star. Let's start with both feet planted on the ground, and we're going to roll down. So today we're going to start laying on our backs, feet firmly planted on the ground. Let's keep our left leg down and let's bring our right leg up. Now your right leg may be bent, and that is okay. So what we're going to do is you're always going to start into the body. We're going to do 5 circles each way. You're going to come down this way and then up the other side. Your circles are going to be specific to your body. So whatever your range of motion is the range of motion that you are going to do. And then once you're done with one direction, you're going to go 5 circles in the other direction. I recommend inhaling on half of the circle and then exhaling on the other half of the circle. When you're done with the right leg, you're going to put it down. You're going to bring your left leg up, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So let's give that a practice. So breathing in, 5 circles. In, breathe out. And you're going to do everything you can to keep your hips on the floor and keeping your body from rocking from side to side. So this is number 5. Pause and go the other direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can keep those pauses in or take them out. So we're going to move on to our left leg. And you're going to notice you're getting a lot of work in the hip area. You're getting a good stretch in the legs. So again, we're going to go in first, which is going to be clockwise. So breathing in and out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other direction for 1. Keep that back, that lower back pressed into the floor. Keep those abdominals engaged. 3, 4, 5. Okay, excellent work. So now we're going to put the entire Pilates sequence together for this series. We're going to do the 100. Well, we're going to do the modified 100, the modified roll-up, and then the modified single leg circles. So I'm going to be quiet, put on whatever piece of music rocks your boat, and let's go. So congratulations on making it through session 3. So as per usual, guys, keep doing these 3 movements, going from the 100 to the modified roll up to the single leg circle. And when you get through all of that with confidence and you feel like you've gained some strength, we will move on to our next session.